Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm going to share 5 free AI tools that can make video editing much easier. Best of all, they won't cost you a thing. Let's get started. 1. Runway ML. First on our list is Runway ML. It is an AI-powered tool that helps with tasks like removing backgrounds or tracking objects in your video. There's a free version with basic features that's perfect for quick edits. 2. Descript. Next up is Descript. This tool lets you edit videos by editing the text of the transcript. You can delete parts of the video just by deleting the words. It's a free and super easy way to edit talking head videos or podcasts. 3. Wisecut. Third on our list is Wisecut. It's a great tool for cutting out awkward silences and adding background music automatically. It's especially helpful if you're editing interviews or vlogs, and it's free to use for small projects. 4. Opus Clip. Number 4 is Opus Clip. This AI tool takes your long videos and turns them into short clips, perfect for YouTube Shorts or Instagram Reels. And the best part? It's completely free. 5. Veed.io. Last but not least is Veed.io. It's a free, easy-to-use video editor that uses AI to add subtitles and transcribe videos automatically. You can use it for simple edits and export your videos without any hassle. So, there you have it. 5 free AI tools that can make video editing a breeze.